You can climb Tata's tree. Even Sanyu wants to climb. You can climb tree. No, that one, that big one there. Let's go. But if you fall down like a monkey, come this other side. You're going to climb this one, okay? Come, I make you climb. Come this side. Climbing? You don't climb like that, Mama. Look. You climb. Climb properly. Sit properly. Apart. Sit apart. Apart your legs like this and sit properly. Apart your legs. Baby climbing tree. How can you happen like you have one lot? But if you fall, Mama, don't fall. You see your nose.
Down.
Mama, stop.
Mommy. You're falling.
What has fallen?
You're falling.
Baby falling. Auntie, but you said you want to climb the tree like a monkey.
Put it down.
I put you down.
Come.
You're tired of being on the tree. You don't want to fall down like monkey poo. You won't fall down? You fall down now.
Put it, baby, Mommy.
Mama, fall down.
Come, Mommy.
You cannot fall down.
Mommy. Mommy.
Mommy. You look here. Look here. Oh, Mommy loves you. I love you. You see my hand is here. My hand is here to take you down. Give me your hand. Good girl. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Baby has come down. Now. That is also you also want to climb the guava tree. That one you will fall down, Mama. That one you climb on your own. You climb, and I see. That one, even if Tata finds you there, it will beat you. That one you climb on your own. You climb. Me, I'm here. Climb.
Here.
Climbing. These cartoons you're watching are spoiling you. You cannot be wanting to climb every tree. And the African tradition, Mama, I hear ladies are not supposed to be climbing trees. But me, I climb. What is that? What? Okay. Mama. Okay, say bye to my camera.
Bye-bye.
And say subscribe. I love you. Good girl.